Welcome to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make cornmeal known as mayi moule. The ingredients I'll be using today is 3 cups of cornmeal, 11 cups of water, épices, minced garlic, ground clove, bouillon powder, or you can use the cube, salt, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, habanero pepper, thyme, and oil. In a heated pot, go ahead and add your oil as well as the épices and allow the épices to cook. Add the minced garlic, bouillon powder, ground clove, as well as thyme. Add some water so the épice doesn't burn. Add 9 cups of water as well as the habanero pepper and allow to come to a boil. Rinse the cornmeal under cold water a few times until the water runs clear, the same way you would do with rice. Before adding the cornmeal to the water, go ahead and taste the liquid, add some salt. Add the cornmeal and begin to mix. The key to a creamy cornmeal is to continue to mix occasionally. Add the unsalted butter and continue to mix. Since the liquid was drying up, I added 2 more cups of water. Mix well, cover with aluminum foil, lower the temperature to medium-low and allow to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking, uncover and mix well. After mixing, I recovered with the aluminum foil and let it cook for 20 additional minutes. Now the cornmeal is done. Some people like their cornmeal more on a looser, liquidy side. If you want your cornmeal that way, instead of adding a total of 11 cups of water, go ahead and add more cups of water and adjust the taste. I serve this cornmeal with black bean sauce as well as jerk parrotfish. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.